Yesterday, this candidate has had an interview 21/5/2024, possibly Mumbai. No intro. Your father is from army. Then why you are not interested in army? Tell us any thrilling incident happened with your father when he was in service. Why insurance after engineering? And cross questions. What is hit and run? I think yesterday we saw this. Yeah. What is hit and run? And we also saw this. What is golden hour period? Golden hour period is a 1 hour period. See, immediately after a crucial accident, severe accident, so that the patient can be saved or the victim can be saved. I don't have money, then how you sell me health insurance? Are Baba, what is this? What is the answer for this? Anybody can answer me this? It's a very interesting question. I don't have money, then how you can sell me health insurance? Come on, tell me. Naveen,
Maybe we can take. Hello.
tell me.
Yes, sir. After overlooking the policyholder's financial status, then we
Uh,
can take his property as a mortgage, and then we can sell the health insurance policy based on his property mortgage.
no, no, I don't think that is allowed. You cannot take house property as security and then give insurance policy. You have to advise him to go and raise money by, if necessary, by giving mortgage of the property and then come to us with the money. Do you get my
Okay, sir.
point?
Yes, sir.
Then what is the other way by which it can be done? I am really surprised. What is the answer you will get for this? Oh, I did not notice this question yesterday. How to buy health insurance policy and from whom? That is okay. Health insurance in India. Can I get my health insurance premiums back after what is this? Can I get my health insurance premium back after paying insurer for more than 10 years? Nobody will give it. Nobody will give it. You please read this. I am a 30-year-old. Please read.
I am 30 years old and want to purchase a health insurance policy. I want to know if there are any health insurance plans in the market in which I can get my money back after paying a premium for more than 10 years. Name withheld. Reply by Nitin Dio, Chief Underwriting Claims and Reinsurance, Zuno.
Mm.
Let me commend you on asking a very relevant question which continues to perplex a lot of people. There are two types of products available for self-protection. Benefit products pay on agreed lump sum when an insured event is triggered. Indemnity products pay what you have spent at the hospital.
Mm. Then
Life,
life
ins-
is
life insurance Life insurance is an example of a benefit product whereupon an agreed sum is paid after the death of the policyholder. In some life insurance policies, you also get an option to get a return of premium benefit after the policy maturity. A health insurance policy is an example of an indemnity product that pays the policyholder what has been spent at the hospital subject to the terms and conditions of the policy.
mm.
As per Indian regulations, indemnity-based health insurance policies can only be sold by general and standalone health insurance companies and policies where the policyholder gets some monetary returns are exclusively sold by life insurance companies. For
Mm.
example, if you buy a life insurance plan with the critical illness coverage, you may get a return of premium at the time of maturity. However, the benefit is limited to critical illnesses and comes with selected life insurance policies. It is recommended to thoroughly understand the policy terms before purchasing such a policy.
Mm. I am a senior citizen. Please read.
I am a senior citizen and have rupees 60 lakh in FDs. How can I generate more income for a comfortable retired life?
That is not required.
I'm a
That is,
working professional.
read. I am a working
I'm a work.
professional.
I'm a working professional, aged 26, earning rupees 2.5 lakh a month. Where should I invest savings of rupees 12 lakh for 7 to 10 years?
So actually, the answer for that is it is not possible to get back the life health insurance amount paid. Now we came for this question. If a person says, I don't have money, then how you can sell me the health insurance? I will suggest him to take loan from a bank or a known person of him and come to me with the money. That is the only option. There cannot be a better way. Without money, insurance company will not deal. And as an insurance agent or insurance employee, you cannot be paying from your pocket for this. It is not possible. For how many people will we pay? So that answer is not correct. So you have to suggest him to raise money and then come to us for taking health insurance. Shivangi, what are your views on this?
So I will also say that the persons would try to earn money either by being after getting employment or by taking loan from the bank. So I think that is the only way to avail any health insurance.
Without insurance, the premium, an insurance company will not come into role at all. Maximum what we can do is now, if he is really a poor man, then we can tell him to take under what is that government scheme, Ayushman Ayushman Bharat. But there also yesterday some candidates were telling that many hospitals are not treating because they are not getting payment from the government for Ayushman Bharat. So I don't know what is the situation in the respective state. Shivangi, you are from
Yes,
which state?
sir. I am originally from Bihar, but I live in UP, Uttar Pradesh.
अच्छा वो यूपी में कैसे है कुछ स्कीम चल रहा है
Sir, these type of facilities are mainly provided by government hospitals mainly.
Yeah. So the other
Yeah.
option is instead of his depending on health insurance, we should tell him to get services from a government hospital. Even government hospitals will not do free service if you are not coming within the eligible bracket. They, I don't know what is the Ayush, what is the eligibility for that? Anyone knows?
So I think the annual average income of the family should be, I think, less than a lakh, maybe.
Only
Yes,
1
sir.
I'm
lakh,
not
Below 1
sure,
lakh.
sir.
huh?
Below 1 lakh,
Yes, sir.
yeah.
Below 1 lakh per annum.
Yeah, per annum.
That is an awfully low sum. Yeah. With that, what one can do? Here we will see this national health, but whether it is still operative, we don't know. We will see that. Ayushman Bharat, a flagship scheme, is a government of India's own. Health wellness centers, then Pradhan Mantri Arogya Yojana. Here, what are they telling? The second component, Ayushman Bharat, see, Ayushman Bharat
5 lakh.
PMGAY is the largest health insurance scheme in the which aims providing health cover up to rupees 5 lakh per family per year for secondary and tertiary care hospitalization to over 12 crores poor and vulnerable families. That is 55 crore beneficiaries that form the bottom of 40% of Indian population. The households included are based on deprivation and occupational criteria, socio-economic caste census for rural and urban areas respectively. PMJAY was earlier known as National Health Protection Scheme. After being rechristened, it subsumed the then existing Rashtriya Swasthya Bima Yojana, which had been launched in 2008. The coverage mentioned under PMJY therefore also includes families that were covered under RSBY or not present in the database. PMJY is fully funded by government and cost of implementation is shared between central and state government. Please read this, Shivangi. Key features of PMJAY.
PMJAY is the world's largest health insurance assurance scheme, fully financed by the government. It provides a cover of rupees 5 lakh per family per year for secondary and tertiary care hospitalization across public and private impaneled hospitals in India. Over 12 crore people and vulnerable entitled families, approximately 55 crore beneficiaries, are eligible for these benefits. PMJAY provides cashless access to healthcare services for the beneficiary at the point of service, that is, the hospital. PMJAY envisions to help mitigate catastrophic expenditure on medical treatment, which pushes nearly 6 crore Indians into poverty each year. It covers up to 3 days of pre-hospitalization and 15 days post-hospitalization expenses, such as diagnostic and medicines. There is no restriction on the family size, age, and gender. All pre-existing conditions are covered from day one. Benefits of scheme are portable across the country. That is, a beneficiary can visit any impaneled public or private hospital in India to avail cashless treatment. Services include approximately 1,929 procedures covering all the costs related to treatment, including but not limited to drugs, supplies, diagnostic services, physician's fee, room charges, surgeon charges, OT and ICU charges, etc. Public hospitals are reimbursed for the healthcare services at par with the private hospitals.
Please read benefit.
Benefit cover under PMJAY. Benefit cover under various government-funded health insurance schemes in India have always been structured on an upper ceiling limit ranging from an annual cover of Indian rupees 30,000 to 3 lakh per family across various states, which created a fragmented system.
So that means, 1 minute, that means there is no definite answer. It depends on the income criteria prevalent in that state. So that is the answer, because they have told from 30,000 to 3 lakhs. Then the answer is very vague. There is no definite answer. Maybe you can check up from your state people. Then I was very keen on this one only. What is the income criteria? It differs from state to state. Then that is the thing. Other things are all repeated, same point. So subject to, so we should talk to this person to know what is his annual income. If it is within that limit allowed in our state, he can take insurance through what is that? Ayushman Bharat. That is what we have to tell. And other way out is to ask him to bring money and then take loan, bring money and take. These are the ways in which it can be handled. Okay, that's a good question.